Hi guys, this is Mary from Obubu Tea. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to talk about the Wazuka Bocha that we sent in your December tea club box. Wazuka Bocha is a stem tea. We could also have called it Kukicha, but as you can see the stems are pretty big and thick, so Bocha is more appropriate to describe this tea as it means stem but also stick in Japanese. These stems come from the spring Tencha harvest. It is a byproduct that comes back from the Tencha factory. For people who don't know what Tencha is, it is basically the tea that matcha is made of. I invite you to follow the links just below in the description to watch our video series about matcha production. Tencha is shaded 3 weeks before the harvest. After the leaves are steamed and dried, the stems and the biggest veins are removed from the leaves to become this very nice stem tea. As you can see, these stems have also been roasted, so this is a hojicha, which is just perfect for the winter season coming on. Now let's have a closer look on the production of this Wazuka Bocha before the brewing session.
Wazuka Bocha?
To our tea club members.
ティークラブメンバーちょっと待って
イントロのためです。もう本当にもう2秒だけしか使わないので。
ワズカボチャもう一回ワズカボチャ
Welcome back! I hope you enjoy the tea fields and the factory. So now let's brew a delicious cup of tea together. So the brewing of this tea is extremely simple. This month we actually printed the brewing guide of each teas on the back label of the 5 grams packet, so you can refer to it at any time. So here we're going to use 5 grams of stems for 130 milliliters of hot water for about 1 minute. As we are brewing stems and not leaves, and also because it is roasted, we want to use very hot water to make sure that we extract enough flavor from the tea. Right. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, the tea is ready, guys. Let's try to pour. Oh, look at this beautiful bright color. It's between yellow and orange. It's very beautiful, a golden color. This is so warm and smooth. It almost gives me the feeling that somebody is giving me a hug. I would say maybe that the brewing guide that is written here is more recommended for people who like very smooth and light flavored teas. I personally prefer when it's a little bit stronger, so I think next time I will either put a little bit more stems in my teapot or increase the steeping time. I hope you will enjoy this tea too. Please don't hesitate to share with us your thoughts about this tea in the comments below or on Instagram. We would love to know what you think about this tea. Thank you again so much for your support and all the love. We hope to be able to see you very soon in Japan. We wish you all a very nice Christmas and a happy New Year. Bye bye!
Roasted Kukicha.